Welcome back to our next session. English lesson 2 Kola. Kola. Textbook pages are 13 to 16. Previous session we discussed and explained the mammals and the marsupials. Mammals and marsupials. I think you understood that. What is mammals and what is marsupials. Okay. Now we'll come to the textbook explanation, children. Page number 15. Until what we completed, children? How the baby koala lives. Okay. Now we'll see what is going on. Page number 15. A koala eats the leaves of eucalyptus trees. What does it eat, children? The leaves of eucalyptus trees. The koala is eating the eucalyptus trees. It is sitting on the eucalyptus tree. The koala is sitting on the eucalyptus tree and it's eating the leaves of eucalyptus tree. Okay. What is the food of koala? The leaves of eucalyptus. Okay. Then it eats the tender shoots that grow on the tips of the branches. Tender shoots. Tender shoot means what, children? Tender shoots. Tender shoots. Tender shoots means a tree. Many branches are there. The tip of the branch or a plant, the stem is very soft. You can break it easily that. But coming down, the branch is very hard. We can't break the stem. The tip of any plant or a tree, we can break it easily. That we will call the tender shoot. We call the tender shoot. That is this animal koala's food. These tender shoots are koala's food. Okay, children. Then a koala has two sharp teeth in front for tearing leaves. How can the animal eat the leaves, children? The animal has two sharp teeth in front for tearing leaves. How we are tearing the paper, children? Two papers, like tearing. Same way, the koala animal also tearing the leaves. Then it has flat teeth at the back for chewing the leaves. It has the two sharp teeth and flat teeth. Sharp teeth and flat teeth. Koala has sharp teeth and flat teeth. The help of the sharp teeth, it is tearing the leaves, and it is with the help of the sharp teeth, it is tearing the leaves, and with the help of the flat teeth, the koala can chew the leaves. Okay. Then a koala comes down on the ground only when it has to move on a new tree. Always this animal is sitting on a tree and eating the food also, leaves of the eucalyptus tree. Whenever this animal, this koala needs to go to another animal to climb the other tree, then only this koala is coming down. Okay, children. Then next paragraph. A koala does sometimes drink, but the leaves it eats provide most of the water it needs. But this koala is not drinking water. How? This leaf contains water also. This leaves contains water also. Through this eating the leaves, these leaves provides the water which is in it. Okay, children. Through the eating of the leaves, koala is getting the food and water also. Okay, the next paragraph. The koala is a nocturnal animal. Nocturnal means Nocturnal. Nocturnal means active, very active. Nocturnal means active. This koala is an active animal. Then it is more active at night than during the day. See children, this koala is very active in the night time, not in the daytime. Than the daytime. The koala is very active in night time than the daytime. That means it is very active in the daytime and night time also. Isn't it? Yeah. A koala doesn't have a home or a nest. You know children, birds have nest. There are some animals have the nest, have the home. Dogs have their animal dogs. The house name is stop sir. The animals have the home also. The horse stable in the stable. The dogs in the kennel. Okay, birds in the nest. But this koala do not have the nest or any homes. They are living on the trees itself. Which tree children? Eucalyptus trees. Okay. Then it just wedges its body into the fork of a tree. How it's sitting children? This wedges means squeeze. Wedges means squeeze. Squeeze means the daytime and the night time also. This animal the koala is spending the time on the tree. Okay, the branches of the tree. How it is going there? It is squeezing its body. Squeezing means is moving, rotating like children. Squeezing. Okay. Then into the fork of a tree. They can go inside the tree, inside between the branches. Okay children. Then it wraps its arm or legs around a branch. What is doing? He is wrapping the branches of the tree with its legs and arms. Okay. Then close its eyes and goes to sleep. How does it sleep children? How does it sit on a tree? It wraps the branches of the tree with its arms and legs, and it is going to sleep also there itself. Okay. Then next page children, page number 16. Large numbers of koalas have been killed for their fur. You know children, the people killed the animals, koalas, the purpose of making the fur, to make the wool. Okay children. Now very few have been left. We can't see this more animals in the world, that means earth. After 1936, laws were made forbidding people to kill koalas. That means don't kill the koala animal. Okay, for the purpose of making the wool. Okay, special reserves were made for them to live in. They provided the special places, reserves the particular places to live for the koala animals. Then world declared that don't kill these animals, and that means don't eradicate the animals from the earth. it should be on the earth. All animals should be on the earth. So the ordinance declared that don't kill this koala animal when the 1936. Okay children, and they provided the particular place for to reserve this animal koala. So this is the koala about the lesson children. You read the lesson well children. Okay children, our explanation over and we are doing the exercises now. The exercise number 1, put a tick or a cross against each statement. You can see it in textbook page 16. Then first question is column for ticking. The koala, K-O-A-L-A, koala is a mammal. See children, the koala is a mammal. Yes or no? Tick. Say correct statement children. This is the correct statement. Then number 2, column koala sleep, koalas sleep all night. Here the statement is koalas sleep all night. All night it is sleeping? No, it's a wrong statement. That is a wrong statement. Number 3, column the koala, K-O-A-L-A, koala is a marsupials, M-A-R-S-U-P-I-A-L-S, marsupials. The koala is a marsupials. What does it mean, marsupials children? The animals which is giving birth and it has a pouch. So the statement is correct. Okay. Then number 4, column. The statement is a baby koala is born, P-O-R-N, born blind, B-L-I-N-D, blind. See the sentence children. A baby koala is born blind. I explained, no? The baby koala is blind, can't see. The statement is correct. Then number 5, column the koala has a black nose. Black nose. The first page of the lesson we explained that the koala has, what is his nose color? The nose color is black. So the statement is correct. Then number 6, koalas, column koalas, C-O-A-L-A-S, koalas eat the fruit of trees. Fruit of trees. See children, the statement, koalas eat the fruit of trees. Is it eating fruit of trees? No, it is eating the leaves of eucalyptus trees. The statement is wrong. Then number 7, column. We have no koalas. No koalas in the world now. In the world now. What, children? Read the statement. We have no koalas in the world now. Not eradicated. It is there. Few are there now. So the statement is wrong. Okay, the statement is wrong. The next, 8th one, column. Koalas live in nest on the ground. Nests on the ground. Read the sentence, children. Koalas live in nest on the ground. What we explained, children? The koalas doesn't have the nest or home. It's live on the branches of the tree. So the statement is also wrong. Okay, children. This is the first exercise. Children, next exercise, second. Complete these sentences. Textbook page 16. We are getting some incomplete sentences. You should complete the sentence there. Here, first one is koalas. Koalas. Koalas live in dash. Where does it live, children? They live in Australia. 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 Koalas live in Australia. The next, second one. A koala. Koala. Koala looks like looks like what, children? Dash. A koala looks like a live teddy bear. Live teddy, 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 bear, bear, teddy bear. Read the sentence. A koala looks like a live teddy bear. The next, number 3. The fur of a koala helps to helps to dash. Koala's fur is helping to keep it warm and dry. Read the sentence, children. The fur of a koala helps to keep it warm and dry. Then next, number 4. The koala, koala, and the kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo are dash. The koala and kangaroo are what, children? Which type of animals? Mammals or marsupials? the marsupials. Marsupials means giving birth to babies and keeping in pouch, in the pouch. Read the sentence. The koala and the kangaroo are marsupials. Okay children, now we completed 2 exercises children. Write in the classwork and homework book also. Read the lesson koala. Well children, read the lesson and complete this exercise in the classwork homework book. Thank you children.